I'm Steffi, resident artist at the Doll's House and Miniature Scene magazine. By way of introduction to my piece in the August edition, which is a tropical sunset, I thought I'd just give you a very quick demonstration of how the sky works. So, I've started off with a layer of lemon yellow acrylic ink. The brand I'm using is FW. There's quite a lot of ink on there, you can see it's shining. You need that so that the next layer, which is red ink, will spread out amongst it. So I come in, I pick up some red ink, and across I go, cleaning the brush in between. Each time I go back into the bottle, I want a nice clean brush so that I don't end up contaminating the ink in the bottle. So I'll clean the brush again, try not to dash the camera this time, pick up a little bit more red. So what I'm looking for is for it to be spreading across the sky. I want mostly red with a little bit of yellow. Okay, now whilst it's all still quite wet, I'm going to swap for some purple ink. And the purple ink just goes across the very top. Clean the brush, always clean your brush before you go back into your ink. Clean it, and I'm also just giving it a little squeeze so that I'm not adding water to my ink pot and diluting it. Pick up some more purple and just bring that in on the sides. Lovely. And that's it. Clean my brush, put it down and let that dry, and if I want to I can just tilt it slightly to encourage those inks to move a little bit. Just like that. Let it dry, and when it's dry I can take off this drawing gum where I preserve the white of the paper for the sun. Okay, the full tutorial is in the Doll's House and Miniature Scene magazine. Do have a go and share your paintings with me, I'd love to see them.